Migration is an activity that will always be present in the history of humanity. It is part of who we are as humans. Mobility creates communities and helps societies advance in many aspects. Although migration can be seen as a much more impactful phenomenon today, it is not really anything new. It is a direct consequence of other events that did not foresee migration. Perhaps even the people who were affected by it did not channel because migration. It was an important alternative solution, and not only for them, but for the history of humanity itself. However, thanks to the way current politics are organized, it is necessary for country leaders to coordinate with the needs of migrants so that their rights are protected. This is due to technological advances and the new legislation around the protection of borders, which have caused a hostile state for migrants. Not only has the process of mobilization worsened, but people's perspective of migrants has also been worse. Therefore, the way in which international institutions and their leaders must investigate and seek the way to allow people to move around the world and seek the best opportunities for themselves. Some of the things mandators need to understand are: first, they must study the reason why someone would migrate outside or within their territory. It is very important to know the reason why people act in a certain way, especially in mobilizations. It is a very difficult decision that involves a reaction to something that cannot be resolved or found in its place of origin. Second, they need to give protection and refuge to migrants. Regardless of the final decision of how to act regarding the migration, people must be treated with respect and all their rights must be protected. The conception that migration is a cold conflict that can be resolved at a table must be eliminated. It is an event that must be reviewed by all possible perspectives so it does not warrant migrants. And finally, third, eliminate the stigmatization that can be created regarding migrants by the population. It is very important that leaders look for ways to protect them from these conflicts that they may face. The effort that migrants have to carry out the act of mobilization and not perpetuate the state of violence from which they are trying to escape must be recognized.